Can't find the Author Box widget in Elementor? It's hidden in Site Settings and requires Pro. Learn the exact click path to activate it in under 2 minutes. We'll start by editing the home page, then click the highlight, open Site Settings, find the Author Box, and finally handle the Pro upgrade prompt. Start by opening your home page in the Elementor editor. Then, click on the highlight to select it. Next, click on Site. Then, click on Author Box. You'll see a prompt about using the Author Box widget and dozens more Pro features. Go ahead and click it. Now, click Upgrade Now. Then, click Upgrade Now once more to confirm, and that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.